I can't tell you feeling the pressure. Can't tell you feeling the tension. You move your legs like this and that. Can't drive away the pressure. Like can't take skill expressions. You can't change the whole direction. You move your ways like this.
I am a dear sweetie. Hey, sweetie. We love, baby.
Hey guys, so I'm here to. I should have said this intro earlier, but I'm so sorry about the music. So you guys, I'm going to pick up a cake to my man, but it's a surprise. I'm at the mall right now. I'm going to shop right. He's actually outside, but I told him that I hope you guys can hear me, Sana. Yo.
Drive away the pressure, yeah. Hold your waist, hold your waist, hold your waist.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think we're going to get this one, guys. Get this one. Hi, good afternoon. Okay. Okay, Adi. Oh, okay, thank you.
Hold your waist, hold your waist, hold
I'm so excited. He also wants. I don't know if I can find it. But how will I find it? I don't know. This guy comes in here. He's going to catch me. I'm surprised to be ruined. He wants Greek yogurt, but I don't see Greek yogurt anywhere. All I see is ice cream. I don't see Greek yogurt anywhere, baby. Anyways, let's go pay for this before he breaks my head.
love to see you shine in the night like the diamond you are. I'm good on this side, it's alright.
Hey guys. So we're at the filling station. We have been at the filling station for like 2 hours. I'm so irritated. My phone will soon die. I'm hot. See you guys when I get home, child.
In the dark, oh, no one's gotta know what we do. Hit me up when you're bored, yeah. 'Cause I live down the street, so hit me when you need, and it's yours. All I hear is nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Oh no, no. We don't gotta lie. This is what you like, I'll admit. Nothing feels better than this.
Hey guys. So I just got back a minute ago, like 20 minutes ago. I turned off the fan so I can talk to you guys. I'm so hot. Anywho, I got groceries. I just got kind of like the same thing I did last week. The things I will use for this week. Today is Tuesday. If I didn't already mention, I could have I could have gotten this over the weekend last week, but I was very busy, as you all saw, so I didn't really have the time to get it. So yeah, but hear me out. So I ordered food. Don't you freaking judge me, okay? But I'm just like, I don't want to prepare a whole meal right now, and I have to. So somebody paid me to prepare a salad for them. because I've made a salad to work. And they were like, girl, where did you order your salad from? I said, I made it myself. They said, sign me up. So because of that, I was making two like portions of salads tomorrow morning for work. And chill, I didn't feel like preparing like a whole meal today when I'm not going to eat that tomorrow, if that makes sense. So that's why I ordered this food. So we're being cost effective still. So I got the wanky rice. I don't know if you guys can see this stuff. It's a bit exposed. And so what's in here is wanky, the wanky rice. I think that's like rice and beans. I don't know how it's prepared, but the rice, there's the sauce, spaghetti, pomo, and then I put plantains inside. So I don't think I've ever tried it. I don't think I've tried it actually. Maybe I have, I didn't know it was the one. But anyways, so we're going to try it now on camera, and but if you tried it, let me know if you like it. And let me know if you know how it's prepared. Because I just see rice and beans here. So I don't know why they don't call it that. But first, so there's rice, beans. Let's take a plantain. You guys, I'm so hot. Wow. It's definitely very spicy. Fuck. Wow. I don't really like spicy food. It doesn't really go well with my system. I'm about to have a shit show, quite literally. Anyway, that's interesting. It's not bad, it's just very spicy. So I don't know if that's how it's prepared or if that's just like the vendor. Anyways, I started watching Behind My Eyes with him, and I'm like, I've watched this before, but I want to see it again. So we're going to be seeing Behind My Eyes today. Friend, I'm so hungry to do anything, talk about anything, any gossip, any juice y'all want to know. So I will eat and I'll come back. Okay. You guys, this is actually not bad. I just hate that it's spicy because that means my stomach will suffer. Hey guys, so I was about to have dinner and just thought to come in here and show you guys something. So when I cook, I always plate my food. Like I always try to plate my food. I feel like that's part of the experience of cooking, no? Because this looks so incredibly beautiful. So I have white rice, fried veggie fried white rice, and then I have beans with plantain, boiled plantain, and then I have cabbage. This looks so good. I'm so hungry, but I'm sleeping. If you see me, I look like I look like a slave shame, but it was worth it because look at this beauty, Sana. Yo. All right, bye. Hey, my dolls. You guys, I honestly can't remember the last time I vlogged. Oh, what am I saying? I mean, I kind of checked in last night after dinner. You guys, I'm not marrying anyone because like one person cannot have all this beauty, all this body, all that food. Girl playing. But really, dinner was so good. So good. Anyways, this morning, is this still morning? Well, I started taking out my hair yesterday. Didn't show you guys, but jump scare. I know. But yeah, so I started taking out my hair yesterday, and I'm doing the rest of it today. You guys, my arms. Jim who? So my friend called and was like, please come help me take this thing out. So They said okay, so they're coming. So I'm really happy about that. But I want to cook stir fries. So you guys, if you've been watching my cooking content, you know that I use Mama Pride spaghetti, but that shit is whack for stir fry. Oh, I tried it. I tried a stir fry last week because I really wanted to eat stir fry. It was dumb. It was no baby. So we're doing it again, and usually I only film cooking content on TikTok, which if you're not following me on TikTok, follow me. But I've been posting a lot of food content here, and I feel like you guys deserve a cooking video, so I'm gonna be doing one today. We're gonna be doing it together, so this is not for TikTok, this is for y'all, because in the last few vlogs I've been cooking so much this month and you guys see so much food, but I don't show you guys how to I don't show you guys anything. I just show you guys like the final products and all of that, so I'm sorry. But yeah, so let's get cooking. I'm just gonna take a break from doing my hair or taking off my hair to get into the kitchen so I can cook before my friend gets here. So I'm so hot. Yes! Then,
Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know, baby, you never worry about what I do. And I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman, serve good things. Fist full of diamonds, handful of ring. Baby, you're a star, I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one. Let me be the one. Give you everything you want and need. Everything. Baby, good love and protection. Should everything make me your selection? Will you show you the way love's supposed to be? Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Yeah, baby, good love and protection.